One of the main uses of the GCX Editor stands in assisting with reverse engineering behaviors. To show how this might be done, I've loaded into the tanker level W01F on the very easy difficulty. As you can see, on this difficulty, there are these crates blocking the stairs to the engine room before you fight Olga, and you are prevented from performing a ledge hang over the railing to drop down. So now, we'll leave the level and open up the GCX Editor. Once inside, you can open the GCX file for that level and it will automatically decode the file into a JSON document. After decoding and parsing the dictionary for known values, you can use the list of procedures in the file on the left-hand side to jump to references of each procedure. Here, I jump over to the main function to show off all of the contents of the main procedure, and also because I already know that this is where the procedure I'm looking for is being invoked from. I'm going to show off a little bit of what the format of the GCX looks like in JSON format, but not really doing anything right here except for just showing off the file. Once I have finished showing this off here, I will now use the left-hand panel again to jump to the invocation of the procedure that I'm looking for. Since my cursor is already in main when I select this function, or rather procedure 489BA3, it automatically jumps to the next invocation inside main. And now I will select the whole invoke object and simply delete it. You don't really need to worry about fixing formatting, I just do it here to make it look nice. Once the JSON document has been edited, I enable Replace Opened File on Export option to skip a step of needing to manually cut and paste the exported file into MGS2's directory, and then export the file. The GCX Editor automatically checks the JSON's validity, replaces dictionary mentions into the correct format, and encodes the file with the changes. Now I can load back into MGS2 to show off the changes. Now you can see the boxes are no longer there, and we still cannot ledge hang. This proves that the function we removed is solely responsible for the replacement of the boxes, and that the ledge hang enable/disable is likely handled elsewhere. This is the most basic use of the GCX Editor in terms of reverse engineering. Thank you, and happy editing.